friends, hope you are fine. So today we are going to make an origami mushroom. If you are new to my channel, be sure you hit the subscribe button. To make this origami mushroom, you need a square sheet of paper. This is colored on one side and white on the other side. First you have to take your square sheet, flip it around so that the colored side is facing down towards the table. Then fold the entire thing in half horizontal to create a rectangle. Unfold it and now bring this bottom side to the horizontal crease. Flatten and rotate it, and repeat the same thing on this side. Fold it straight up to the center and crease that in. Now you have to take the whole thing and fold it in half, crease that in, and unfold it. Next we have to focus on the center crease that we just made. Take the top flap and fold it diagonally to the align with that center crease, just like this. Do the same thing at the bottom, so fold it diagonally to align with the center crease and crease that in. Then flatten the entire thing with your both hand. Next we have to flip the entire thing around, and then we are going to take this flap and bring it back. So just fold it and reverse the fold like this. Unfold it, fold it back, and then flatten the top. So let's do it on the other side. You are going to unfold this, flip it around, bring it to the back, and then flatten. Flip it around, and basically what you have done is you reverse the color. So before this square was blue and now it's white. And align this point to this edge, so fold it straight over like that, and repeat the same thing on this side. So fold it straight up, align it to the edge, and then take this and fold it straight up. Now this one you can fold it in half like I'm going to do, or you can fold it a little bit to make the bottom of the mushroom bigger, but I like it fold it in half because I think it look really cute like that. And then you have to round off the corner. So we are going to round off this bottom right hand corner by folding it up and doing the same thing on this side. So we just rounding up the corner by folding it diagonally like that. Then flip the entire thing around and you have your mushroom shape. Now you just draw a little circle, and it's kind of little blue or any color whatever you want on the top of head. Now I'm going to decorate it, so I'm going to give it cute little face. I'm going to give it quiet face. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification to be alerted when new tutorial come out. Thank you so much.